EU citizens, you can apply to the EU settlement scheme online using any device. As part of your application, you will need to prove your identity, prove your residence, and declare any criminal convictions. In your application, to prove your identity, select one of the two options. Option 1 is to use the Android app to scan your ID document and take a digital photo of yourself. The app is only to complete the identity stage of the application. You can complete the rest of your application online on any device. The app will be available on Apple devices later this year. The second option to prove your identity is online and by post. First, enter your ID document details in your application. When you have submitted your application, post your ID document to the Home Office address provided at the end of your application.